ratio and proportion, part 8. Okay. Okay, now we'll learn what is proportion. So in this video, I'll discuss about proportion. So firstly, before going into the problems, I will discuss what is proportion. What is a proportion? Proportion is simply a statement that two ratios are equal. What is proportion? Proportion is simply a statement that two ratios are equal. It can be written in two ways as two equal fractions a by b equal to c by d, or using a colon. Symbol of ratio is colon. Okay, remember that. A is to b equal to c is to d. A by b equal to c by d is the fractional form. The ratio form is A is to B is equal to C is to D. Now, where are these proportion used, or what are the applications of proportion? Okay, the business can use proportions to figure out how much money they will earn if they sell more products. The business can use proportions to figure out how much money they will earn if they sell more products. For example, if the company sells 10 products, for example, the proportion ratio is 25 rupees 25 is to 10. What is the ratio, proportional ratio here? Rupees 25 is to 10, which shows that for every 10 products, the business will earn rupees 25. This is the application of proportion. So here, for a company, suppose it sells 10 products and proportion ratio is rupees 25 is to 10, which shows that for every 10 products, the business will earn rupees 25. That is 25 is to 10. So this is the application of proportion. What is the definition of proportion? Proportion is an equation that says one ratio is equal to another. What is the fraction here? 3 by 4 equal to 39 by 52. 39 by 52 and 3 by 4 are in proportion, or they are equal. How? 3 into 13. If you multiply both numerator denominator by 13, how much you will get? 3 into 13 is 39. 4 into 13 is 52. Therefore, 39 by 52 and 3 by 4 are in proportion. Proportions are equations with two equal ratios. I told you, no? So 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6. How they are in proportion? How? If you multiply both numerator denominator by 2, what you will get? 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. So 4 by 6 and 2 by 3 are in proportion. 5 by 15 and 1 by 3 are in proportion. How? If you divide both numerator denominator by 5, 5 by 5 is 1 and 15 by 5 is 3. Therefore, 5 by 15 is equal to 1 by 3, or those two are in proportion. Proportion can also involve variables. I discussed what are variables, no? In algebra chapter, what is a variable? The value varies. It is not constant or fixed, or the value of variable is unknown. That is called variable. Okay. X by 8 equal to 5 by 16. Which is the variable here? Can you tell me, children? Anyone? Yes, it is x. Okay. So x by 8 is equal to 5 by 16. X is a variable. Okay. Now, x plus 3 by 7 is equal to x minus 2 by 4. X plus 3 by 7 equal to x minus 2 by 4. Which is the variable here again? Both ratio, it is x. X plus 3 by 7 equal to x minus 2 by 4. What is the variable here? It is x. Okay. X plus 3 by 7 and x minus 2 by 4. In both, which is the variable? Yes, correct, x. Okay. Solving proportion problems. Okay. How to solve proportion problems? From the word problem, set up two equal ratios to form a proportion. From the word problem, set up two equal ratios to form a proportion. A is to B equal to C is to D. That is the first step. From the word problem, set up two equal ratios to form a proportion, or A is to B equal to C is to D. Rewrite the ratios as fractions. A is to B can be written as A by B in fractional form. C is to D can be written as C by D in fractional form. Now what you have to do? You have to do cross multiplication. I told you, no? What is cross multiplication? Yes, tell me. Anybody? Yes, it is numerator 1 into denominator 2 equal to denominator 1 into numerator 2, or here AD is equal to BC. When you do cross multiplication, what you will get? AD equal to BC. Proportion definition. Proportion is an equation where two ratios are equal to each other. What is a proportion? Proportion is an equation where two ratios are equal to each other. For example, 3 by 5 is equal to 9 by 15. Both are in proportion. How? If you multiply numerator denominator by 3, what you will get? 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. So 3 by 5 and 9 by 15 are in proportion. Okay, now if you simplify the ratio 9 by 15, so how to simplify here? We'll divide both numerator denominator by 3. Why 3? Because 3 is the HCF of 9 and 15. So we'll get 3 by 5 in the simplest form. Reading proportion. The above proportions can be read as 3 is to 5, or which is equal to 9 is to 15. Above proportions can be read as 3 is to 5, or which is equal to 9 is to 15. Proportions help in finding fourth value when you know three other values. Okay? The proportion help in finding the fourth value when you know three other values. We shall learn about how to use proportion in the word problem in the next video. I will show you here. Okay, this is an example here. Solve the proportion using cross multiplication. Okay? X by 12 is equal to 3 by 4. So what you are doing here, x is the numerator 1. You are given denominator 1, numerator 2 and denominator 2. What is denominator 1? 12. Numerator 2, 3. Denominator 2 is 4. Now do cross multiplication. Numerator 1 into denominator 2 is equal to denominator 1 into numerator 2. What will get? 4 into x equal to 12 into 3. What is 4 into x? 4 into x can be also written as 4x. 4 into x and 4x are the same. Don't get confused. Okay, 4 into x and 4x are the same. 4x equal to 36. Now, what we can do? We'll divide both 4x and 36 by 4, because there is a variable which is attached to the number. So to get only the variable, we'll divide by the number which is attached. That is 4 here. 4x by 4 equal to 36 by 4. We'll get 4 and 4 will get cancelled. X equal to 36 by 4 is 9. So answer x equal to 9. Okay, children? We'll continue the next part in the next session.